seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. Please take a moment to check your standing area as well as your seatbelt pocket for any personal item you may have stored, because once you deplane, you will not be allowed into the aircraft to retrieve them. Use caution when opening the overhead bins as items may have shifted in flight. We will be arriving today at gate A9, that is Alpha 9. We know you have a choice in airlines. On behalf of this New York City-based cabin crew, Chicago-based flight deck crew, and our one-world partners, whether you're staying in Norfolk or passing through, we thank you for choosing American Airlines to be a part of your journey. Have a blessed night.